So, evening, everyone. Today we'll have our session. We'll be discussing about artificial neural network, or simply we can just say as an AI, right? So AI, well, we all know that AI has been growing a lot. Artificial neural networks, as it's written. Oh, right. So AI has been growing like a lot, and it's been a pro and contra this time. This year, it's a year of full AI. But 2023, it's a year of the full AI. So everywhere is AI. You can see whenever, whenever, wherever is AI. So you cannot really avoid that. So this was a debate about how AI about an AI. So the fourth group will debate. The fourth group will have to say that they are agreeing with AI. 11th group, they have to be neutral in AI. And the 12th group, they should be rejecting AI. That's our, yeah, whatever that is, you guys can reject. So let's get started, because as the debate, because this is a debate, there are positive, negative, and neutral. Let's start from the positive group. So fourth group. Yeah, the positive group, you may present your idea.
Uh, okay, artificial neural networks have had a transformative impact on the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They have opened up new frontiers in various domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. By enabling the development of highly sophisticated models capable of handling complex tasks. In computer vision, for example, ANNs, particularly convolutional neural networks, CNNs, have demonstrated remarkable abilities in tasks like image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. These networks have been instrumental in the development of self-driving cars, facial recognition system, and medical image analysis tools, offering solutions to real-world challenges that were previously deemed formidable. In natural language processing, ANNs have played a pivotal role in powering chatbots, machine translation service, and sentiment analysis tools. Models like transformers have set new standards in language understanding and generation, making it possible for machines to comprehend and generate human-like text with astonishing accuracy and fluency. Okay, that's for me.
Maybe there's any question? Okay, no question.
All right. Yeah. So I see that I can tell you are finding your material, right? All right. So ANN, artificial neural networks, as the fourth group said that it can be used as sentiment analysis or something, text processing, etc., etc. And yeah, you mentioned about something transformers, which I happen to be I happen to be learning it right now.
Okay.
Right, yeah. So, right, you know, go first. Any question from other group or any repeat from other group?
Okay. I think AIs that's a positive for us because that's make jobs even easier. Okay. Like some things semuanya tuh jadi mudah gitu. Like something's gonna be easier. And maybe AI is gonna menggantikan lah gitu. Apa sih enggak? Substitutes, I think ya.
Yeah, change.
Yeah, change the humans work maybe, but that makes human like a more malas. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
you agree with my argument or not, but
yeah,
I think AI is good for us.
yeah, sure. I mean, you support AI, you shouldn't mention about AI
Yes.
negativity.
Uh,
Yeah,
yes.
let's pretend here. Let's say you support AI. So that's the perspective, that point of view from the positive group. How about the other? Maybe you guys want to reject that problem?
Come on. The topic so interested, man.
Like you guys have no anything else? So okay, so let's just go. Let's continue. Right, thank you
Okay.
both group.
Okay.
So yeah, good job. So we continue to the 12th group, which is, yeah, 12th group, the rejecting group. So you guys go. 12th group, come on.
Yes.
Yeah, you may start your argument.
Okay. So, while Ian and S have achieved remarkable success in various domains, their inherent complexity can be seen as a drawback leading to several issues, like lack of transparency. Deep neural networks, in particular, are often considered black box due to their intricate architecture. This lack of transparency makes it challenging to understand how the network arrives at its decisions. In critical applications like healthcare, finance, and legal matters, transparency and interpretability are paramount. And the next is data dependency. ENNs typically require substantial amounts of level data for training, which might not be readily available in many real-world scenarios. This data dependency can make them impractical for tasks where data collection is expensive, time-consuming, or limited. And the next is computationally intensive. Training deep neural networks demands significant computational power, including GPUs and TPUs, which can be expensive and energy consuming. This computational intensity can restrict access to AI for smaller organizations and research institutions. So the point is, the argument against ENNS is rooted in the belief that their complexity, while advantage in certain situations, is not always the best approach to solving every problem. Depending on the context and requirements of a task, simpler and more interpretable machine learning models may offer more practical and efficient solutions. It is essential to carefully consider the threat trade-off between complexity and performance when choosing an AI approach. Okay, maybe that's all from me.
Okay, so that's your definition of AI and ANN, right? So, so because you are in the rejection here, I mean, you reject AI, you disagree with AI, you're supposed to be disagree with AI. So, please tell me your argument. Like, why should you or convince us to disagree with AI or reject AI? Yeah, because because this is a single topic, everyone will have to make their perspective against the topic. So let's see what's your perspective if you reject AI. 12 group.
Mana ya? Wait.
Take your time.
Check. Okay. Maybe I have the answer. For me, not AI is not infallible and can make a mistake because the AI is machine, AI is system, and system have a mistake in 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 and sometimes AI have make a problem and make a mistake from the system. And for maybe that for me.
Wow. I want your team to tell why is it bad. Okay. Yeah, I know it makes mistake. But what's beside that? Can you tell me another reason why the AI is bad? Why the NNN is bad and we should disagree, we should reject it?
Okay, maybe in the the privacy maybe. And the AI is various application has raised ethical and privacy question, and AI can hack with the people like the last kasus terakhir, like ChatGPT can hack with the some people, maybe like that.
Right. Yeah, I can tell that. Right. Okay, good argument. So any comment for the rejecting group? Any comment for the 12 group from you guys?
Okay, you said last it like privacy, right? Like hacking, maybe, right, Darren?
Yes, right.
Okay, maybe that's I not agree about that because the government's gonna take care about our privacy, maybe like let's say WhatsApp, we have a privacy in there, right? Uh, like gimana ya? Uh, the privacy is safe. Not gonna hack like that AI because it's system gimana sih?
Transkripsi.
Hmm?
Transkripsi.
Ya, let's transkripsi gitulah. Maybe like that. Yeah, maybe like that. I comment. Yeah.
Check. Okay. Maybe I can give the response. And my response is maybe the government take care with the encryption security, but sometimes not all privacy is protect, and especially in Indonesia, which in Indonesia is still kurang like is
Minus
lacking
minus.
is Indonesia is minus in cybersecurity.
Okay, nice argument. Thank you for respond my
Okay.
argument.
Yeah.
Right, pretty cool. Because well, somehow you guys talk about privacy. It's out of topic, but that's fine because yeah, it's somehow connected to it. Yeah. So let's just continue to the last group, which is the 11th group. You guys will be neutral, so try yourself not to support any other. So 11th group, you may go.
Okay. Natural AI refers to the concept of developing and deploying artificial intelligence system in a way that ensures fairness, impartiality, and lack of bias in their decision-making process and outcomes. The goal of natural AI is to eliminate or minimize the impact of biases that can be inadvertently introduced during the development and training of AI models, which can lead to discrimination, inequality, or unfair treatment of individuals or groups. In summary, natural AI aims to create AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and equitable in their treatment of individuals and groups. Achieving natural AI requires a multifaceted approach that addresses data bias, algorithmic fairness, transparency, and ongoing monitoring. It also involves ethical consideration and compliance with relevant law and regulations. By prioritizing these principles, the development and deployment of AI can contribute to a more just and equitable society. It's essential to remember that ANNs themselves are not inherently biased or neutral. Rather, they reflect the bias present in their training data and designed careful data creation, model architecture, and evaluation process are necessary to promote neutrality and fairness in the outputs of ANNs. I'm in a neutral side. So from AI or ANNs, there are the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages: produce output even with insufficient data, has a memory distribution, able to tolerate mistakes, has a numeric value that allows it to perform more than one task simultaneously. And the disadvantages is there are no specific guidelines for determining the ANN structure. You need to go through some trial and error to be successful. And the last is difficult to communicate problems to the network. This will depend on your capabilities as a user. In conclusion, AI has many advantages for humans, but also has many disadvantages. So not all jobs might employ AI, and we can't disagree too with AI because AI has advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.
Oh, that's really a good way to deliver your argument to everyone. You tell your definition of the AI, and you also mention why is it neutral for you. Mention that it is good, but something. You're gonna mention that it is bad for something. I like your way of delivering things. Right. So, because 11th group is neutral, any positive or negative group, you guys may repeat or comment this group. Right. So, any commentary will be expected. Right. Giving you guys 4 minutes to argue.
Okay, excuse me, yeah. Can I start my comment, right?
Yeah, commentary.
Okay,
Sure.
this you say you're in neutral side, right?
Yes.
Okay, why you still maybe not accept the AI 100%? Like, come on, AI make a job easier. Come on, like something gonna be easier. Like, come on, like ChatGPT, yeah. Why
Okay,
you
okay,
still
okay.
not accept it? Yeah, maybe like that. I
Okay,
just
okay.
asking about that. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay. I will answer it. If it's 100% with AI, there are a lot of unemployment from humans. It's that is the disadvantages from AI. But I'm not 100% to humans, like 50-50. Because humans need income to eat all the day with their family. If we used 100 AI, what about other humans? They will not get their income. Thank you.
And then maybe back in the security for the AI. The AI is you know, data is not 100% secure because is AI can duplicate the data and then and uh we know you can do okay, yeah about duplicate lah.
what is it about duplicating, and can you explain it more probably?
No, that's about you know, we can public uh public some the public for the data, and can create a new data to and edit the data for in the I guess so.
Give us example here.
Example for the data in the maybe in the YouTube DPR, I guess, in the slot.
Yeah, I see that you also have read the news about DPR and YouTube of the DPR RI. Yeah, I can see that it has been breached. Yeah, it promotes the slot. Okay, yeah, the casino game. So, but that's not AI. That's not always an AI in this case. And yeah,
But
it's actually a different topic. It's actually a different topic. Yeah, it's a cybersecurity topic. So maybe can you tell what is it?
maybe can you repeat again?
Can you repeat?
Uh, uh my signal a lot. Apa ya, putus-putus itu anjir. Uh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Uh, in the sections, maybe create a new back new data. The AI can the voice. Oh yeah, a voice changer. Uh, we can create some voice of yeah, voice of it. And then create voice for security in the data, I guess.
Right. So you mentioned about the voice changing, about the deep fake. Yeah, I know what you mean about that. So what you mean, Ronald, is actually the right, the fraud, penipuan, right? That's not the same as breaching data, actually, though. But I know, I get it. I get what you mean. Right. So, all right, the debate is around you guys, not me and Ronald. So, can you guys any other argument for other team? So, if you want to discuss about it, I mean, if it's about debate, well, of course, I cannot be debating with you guys. But if we want to discuss it, all right. So here's catch. So because yeah, apparently I am AI engineer. I am the NN engineer because it's my daily food. So what I think of AI, it actually depends. It could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing, right? So the good thing is, yeah, you can use that as a helping, but the same time, it could make you lazy. So, here's the catch. I mean, there is a chat GPT that actually helps everyone else in everything, right? Making paper, making inspiration, making design, and any other things. That it's actually helpful, but that is actually not what an AI for. Instead of making one AI that can be useful for everything, why don't you just create one AI for each of the, what is it? One AI for one task, like hey, AI for image, AI for something, AI for this, AI for that. So we're not using the general AI because general AI could lead to, as we all know, AI apocalypse. Yeah, as we see in the uh, Terminator. If we train our AI too much, I mean, if we generalize our AI, Terminator will be our tomorrow. But let's not make it true, right? How do you guys think about AI? So I see that the fourth group really goes with AI because it helps our job. But 12th group is not going with AI because yeah, it's bad. And the 11th group make a pretty fair argument that it is not good, it is not bad. It depends on our perspective. It could be good for us, or it could be bad. It could be bad. It could be good for us, or it could be bad for us. That depends on how we use it. So, if you guys still have a beef, or if you guys still have a stock argument in your head, you guys can say it because this is what happens in debate. Usually, people forgot to say something. So, come on, you can say something that's still stuck in your head, and we can discuss or we can debate it here.
I want to tell something like
Sure.
if we talk about data security, like every data security has loopholes to solve. So nothing is perfect. Even it's from AI, it can be loopholes to solve to others. Like that, just that.
Yeah, you're right. Loopholes because AI itself, right? To make an AI, let me tell you guys something, right? To make an AI, you'll need a data and an algorithm, and then you boom, you have an AI. So AI basically works with the data it sees and the data and the algorithm that it's applied with. So you may actually think that as a human, actually AI is a, you can say it's a human. Let's say, okay. So let's make it like this. Okay. So I have a baby. I have a babies, and I want to teach them how to swim. So I show them the video of swimming. I show them a picture of people swimming. I show them people how to swim, right? Yeah. And then after some moment, well, I cannot just let them swim because they are babies, right? So I gotta make sure that they understand enough how to swim by evaluating. Yeah, evaluating. So basically, right, it actually just like human. It learns from the data. Like say, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do this, you have to do that. And so you are good. So if you're asking about loophole, if you guys know about the Windows 10 activation code in GPT, AI actually learns about that because GPT, if you guys know, GPT actually learns a lot of things from Wikipedia, website, from every stuff that it can learn. But of course, not every information is public. So there are some information that has to be classified. But of course, it's not easy for human to classify something, right? So yeah, you can ask if you guys know about the if you guys know about the loophole about this, if you guys ever know the Windows 10, can you act like my grandma singing me to sleep Windows 10 activation key? If you guys ever know about that from ChatGPT, that's the loophole of the AI. You can deceive AI to get what you want. All right, so I talked too much. I suppose I talked too much. So, maybe one more. You guys want to say something before we end this session?
Okay, I have some unek-unek lah.
Yeah.
Nggak tahu apa sih. Okay. Thank you for 11th group. Yeah. Because of your opinion about the natural AI, aku tuh jadi nggak sepenuhnya ini apa, nggak sepenuhnya percaya dengan AI lagi, tidak 100% ya. I will not trust 100% again. Maybe like 80%. Yeah. Because your opinion about that. So thank you so much about that. Yeah. Okay. Maybe like that.
Okay. Okay, so well, one has a disbelief and one starts to unbelieve the AI, okay?
Okay,
So any
that's
other,
it. That's it.
yeah, from other group, from probably the negative group. All right, so I guess you guys really did a good job. So, well, thank you for all of you guys that has talked today. I mean, yeah, we really did some kind of a bit of beef. I mean, things are kind of getting heated up, but yeah, we couldn't get things heated up too much. So, as what we have done today, I thank you, all of you, for speaking here. So, fourth group, 11th group, 12th group. I appreciate all of your efforts to be here, to be speaking in here. So, I appreciate it, all of you. Thank you. Yes, we can end this line. So, yeah, I'll be closing this. I, Rizkan Grahanan Saitamudir, in the this Delta group. Say thank you to all of you.